हेलो सेमेस्टर 4 हम लोग का पेपर 11 यूनिट 3 रूटीन हॉस्पिटल डाइट हम लोग देख रहे थे, जिसमें हमारा अभी हम लोगों ने देखा था रेगुलर डाइट और लाइट डाइट। अब इसके साथ हम देखेंगे सॉफ्ट डाइट एंड फुल लिक्विड डाइट। नाउ सॉफ्ट डाइट, दिस डाइट इज सॉफ्ट इन टेक्सचर and consists of liquids and semi-solid foods. It is indicated in certain post-operative cases for convalescents who cannot tolerate a regular diet, in acute illness, and in some gastrointestinal disorders. It is an intermediate step between the liquid and regular diets. It is low in connective tissue and indigestible dietary fiber. Little or no condiments are used in its preparation. Soft diet include all liquids in addition to well-cooked cereals, egg, cottage cheese, tender meat, fish, poultry and vegetables, including baked, mashed potatoes. Food are not allowed includes fresh fruit, raw vegetables and nuts. Desserts permitted are custards, gelatin, puddings, soft fruits and simple cake and cookies. Vegetables can be pureed and meat ground for dental patients. Soft diet, as the name suggests, provides soft whole food that is tightly seasoned and are similar to the regular diet. The term soft refers to the fact that food included in this diet are soft in consistency, easy to chew and made of simple, easily digestible foods. It does not contain harsh fiber or strong flavor. Soft diet can be nutritionally adequate, providing approximately 1800 to 2000 calories, 55 to 65 gram proteins, provided the patient is able to consume adequate amount of food. Example of food diet, a soft diet freely example of soft diet का a soft diet freely permits the use of cooked vegetables, soft raw fruits without seeds, broth and all soups, washed pulses in the form of soups, and in combination of cereals and vegetables like khichdi, dalia, breads and ready to eat cereals, most preferable refined such as poha, upma, dalia, pasta, noodles, etc. Milk and milk beverages, yogurt, light desserts including kheer, halwa, custard, jelly, ice cream. Egg and tender ground stewed meat and meat products, fat like butter, cream, vegetable oil and salt and sugar in moderation. Food to be best avoided in the soft diet include coarse cereal, spicy, highly seasoned and fried food, dry fruits and nuts, rich desserts. Among the soft diet is also the mechanical soft diet, also known as the dental diet, which is a normal diet that is modified only in texture for ease of mastication. Example, chewing. When an individual cannot chew or use facial muscle for a variety of dental, medical or surgical conditions, mechanical soft diet is recommended. The food in mechanical soft diet is similar to the soft diet and may be full liquid, chopped, pureed or regular food with soft consistency. Elderly persons who have dental problems are prescribed mechanical soft diets. Now clear the soft diet. A full liquid diet. A full liquid diet is another type of diet. It is often used as a step between a clear liquid diet and a regular diet. For example, after surgery or fasting, it may also be used after certain procedures such as jaw wiring. This diet may also be appropriate for patients who have swallowing and chewing problems. It provides more calories than the clear liquid diet and gives adequate nourishment, except that it is deficient in fiber. It is indicated for post-operative patients and for gastrointestinal illness. An average full liquid diet can provide approximately 1000 to 1800 calories and 50 to 65 gram of protein and adequate minerals and vitamins. The nutritive content of the full liquid diet can be increased by using protein, vitamin and fiber supplements. The full liquid diet is low in iron, vitamin B12, vitamin A and thiamine. It should not be used for a long period of time unless vitamins, iron or liquid nutritional supplements are added. This diet has 1800 of calories, so extra is not needed. A full liquid diet consists of liquids allowed on the clear liquid diet with the addition of milk and small amounts of fiber. The diet may be used for short term, such as a transition step between the clear liquid and soft diet. Examples of full liquid diets. Foods allowed or included in a full liquid diet includes beverages, cream soups, vegetable soups, dal soups, strained fruit juices, lassi, buttermilk, yogurt, hot cocoa, coffee, tea with milk, carbonated beverages, cereal porridge, refined cereals, custard, sherbet, gelatin, puddings, ice cream, eggnog, cream, butter, toast, half-boiled egg, etc. ये examples of full liquid diet.